Hello, amazing traders, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And in this morning, we'll be doing pure price action reading one more time and see what market have been able to do since Sunday that we were able to run this analysis. This jump here. The market jump from here to here was as a result of Trump effect because last week, President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, increased the tariff of Canada by 25%. Russia by 10% and Mexico by also 25% tariff increment. And as a result of that, when market opened, what happened? There was a massive surge of almost 120 pips here. Yes. And after that, market had to correct that inadequacy, that excessive loss. So what market was able to do is market close the gap, not just close the gap, now reach another high, break the structure completely. So, and why do this is a structure that now, this market has been selling since 2024 September, which is lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, which is not lower low. Now, there was a break of structure here because when this market do lower high, the lower low is supposed to be below this key level. But as a result of that, market could not do that. So it's supposed to drop below, but there was a change of structure, and right now, market has broke that structure and is retesting. Yes, retesting because one of the quality of a good trade is market must retest. There must be pro price action reading analysis in here. So whatever happens here now will be a determinant factor. Either this breakout is real or it is an illusion. Because market can decide not to break this key level, and enter crazy sell as soon as possible. But for now, market has broke this trend line, break this support level, and we believe that it's trying to turn this key level to resistance. If this resistance hold, it means that GBP USD has entered massive buy for this year. Yes, GBP USD has entered massive buy for this year because if this level is being sustained, what will be happening is there will be higher low, higher low, higher low until market reach this key level back. And that was where market was in September 25, 2024. Yes, that was where market dropped from. So if this key level hold, it simply means that market is coming here in the next 3-4 months or 2 months, depending on the volatility in the market space. So that is what is happening in GBP USD right now. And you can see, yes, there's a selling pressure, but that selling pressure and this one, they seem similar because you can see that market is coming back to this key level to come and use it as a support level. So if this key level do not hold, we're expecting this key level to hold. But if both of them could not hold, then it simply means that the breakout is market manipulation is invalid. But as long as this key level are valid key levels, it simply means that market can only bounce back from here. And as a swing trader, even if you are an inter-trade trader, you can easily enter one single market and be expecting results somewhere around here. Yes, as long as it is the right market, you don't need to panic. All you need to do is to listen to what the market is telling you through the price action, through what market is printing, through the psychology of candlesticks in terms of formation, because this is a shooting star. But despite that it is a shooting star in 4 hours, which is one of the most effective reversal candle. But by the time you go to daily time frame, you know that it's a retest. So which means that despite that it's a shooting star in 4 hours, the level also where shooting star shows up, those are the determinant factor also that affect what you do. So this retest is one of the golden key ratio that is extremely important as a market, as a student of the market. So you can see now that, so whatever happened here is a lesson to learn. So this shooting star, this selling pressure, it seems like a retracement because it's supposed to be a retracement. But those candlestick, they are valid candlestick. But where they are is a different thing entirely. Because where they are, market has been there before and it tests that key level. So these clusters of candle is lack of momentum right now. So we are expecting this market to go bullish. Yes, because when you watch market enough for a long time, you understand what the market is doing and how to participate in the analysis. So once market bounce back from here, they'll be expecting market for the next 3 days or next week to come to this key level. Simple as ABC, no indicator, nothing. And what are the tools that I used? Fibonacci, support and resistance, Elliott wave, Dow theory, trend line, and so much more. So you have to understand that it takes market to print, it takes price, it takes time for market to, it takes time for price, for candlestick to print price. We don't have inside information as a trader than to study charts. We don't know anybody anywhere that can give us a clue. But we have something, we have past history. And due to our past history of how price works, this is going to be a bullish market. Yes. And that is what happened in GBP USD. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, come away again next time. Be safe.